Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the power on timer and the power off timer settings on your HISENSE TV. So first, go over to settings. So use your left arrow on the TV remote. Now click OK, and here scroll down until you guys see the system. Go to timer settings. And here we will have the power on and power off timer. So power on timer, we can basically change it to turn on automatically, repeat once or weekly. Now here we can select the time and confirm it right here. After that, what we can do is power off timer. So it will power off the HISENSE automatically. So let's say 12 a.m. It's pretty good. New day and the TV turns off. What else can we do? We can basically customize it for our liking. So that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.